All right, we're back. I'm going to show you this time how to make a either side-by-side bar graph or a segmented bar graph off of Google Sheets. So I'm going to be providing you your data in a two-way table, but if it wasn't in a two-way table, you would want to do that yourself. It would just be some easy tallying from your fresh data. So what I have here is a two-way table. Don't worry about the totals. You don't want those to be part of your table. So I'm going to highlight that, including the titles, because I want those to be brought over to my chart. And then when I go to insert chart, it's going to kind of adjust and say like, oh, here's the best thing I have for you. So there's a few things you would have to adjust at this point. Now, here we have side-by-side bar graph, which is fine for what I'm asking you to do in the next part of the problem. But if you wanted to change that to a stacked or a segmented bar graph, that's an option down here. It calls it stacked column chart. Both of these versions would be fine, but you still have a lot of things you're going to want to adjust here. So you're going to have some axes that you're going to have to fix, like for instance the title is not that. You're going to want to change the title to something appropriate, and you can decide now here. It's going to like default add a lot of things in, so you can decide if you like some of that. But what you might want to check out is what the legend looks like. As long as you think it looks clear, that's fine. You can change the coloring and have some artistic freedom here. The axes, I want to make sure that you have some titles going on for the axes. I don't, let's see, minimum scale factor number format. Oop, that was bad. So right here, you can pull them up again. Chart title, chart subtitle, horizontal and vertical axes. So you're going to want to make sure you have some titles that are appropriate for what we're measuring, because right now I don't have any and this would not give me full points. But again, this is part of your project and getting your points, so I don't want to show you all that. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.